Welcome to my channel. This is Beijing, China. Embark on an otherworldly journey, overlooking the bustling city of Beijing from high above. Every frame tells a story, every skyline unfolds a chapter of this ancient city. Fly with us and capture the heart and soul of China's magnificent capital. Witness the majesty of the Forbidden City from this unprecedented perspective. Floating effortlessly above the ancient eaves, imperial history unfolds beneath your feet. The massive and intricate architecture will take your breath away. This is the political and cultural center of China and a symbol of the Chinese people. From the air, you can see the grandeur and neatness of the square, as well as the crowds and traffic on the square, forming a vivid picture. Let your drone dance over the stunning gardens of the Summer Palace, capturing the symmetry of ancient design against the backdrop of a tranquil lake. A visual ballet that embodies the harmony of nature and royal craftsmanship. From the air, you can see that the main body of the Summer Palace is Kunming Lake, which accounts for 3/4 of the whole garden. You can also see that the main scenery of the Summer Palace is Wanshou Mountain, with famous places such as the Buddhist Incense Pavilion and the Jade Belt Bridge built on it. You can also the main axis of the Summer Palace is the corridor, which is 728 meters long and is the longest corridor pavilion in the world. There are more than 14,000 paintings on it. You can imagine that the Empress Dowager Cixi enjoyed a luxurious life here, and you can also feel that today's tourists enjoy the beautiful scenery here. Great Wall Golden Hour. When the sun bathes the Great Wall in golden light, feel the magnificence of this wonder on earth and in the sky. The undulating curves and rugged terrain come to life in awe-inspiring spectacle that transcends time. From the air, you can see the whole picture of the Great Wall, and you can also see the details of the Great Wall. Each section has its own unique shape and style. You can imagine the soldiers guarding the border here back then, and you can also feel that today's climbers are challenging themselves here. Zoom into the heart of Beijing's central business district, where sleek skyscrapers pierce the clouds. Marvel at the futuristic design of buildings like the CCTV headquarters and the iconic Galaxy Soho, where tradition and innovation coexist. From the air, you can see the modernization and internationalization of Beijing, as well as the creativity and vitality of Beijing. Each building has its unique function and meaning. You can imagine that the architects back then showed their talents here, and you can also feel that today's businessmen, media people, and designers are realizing their dreams here. Fly over the parks and lakes, the green lungs of Beijing. From the tranquil Beihai Park to the vibrant Hohai, experience the intertwining of the city's natural beauty and urban life. From the air, you can see the green and watercolors of Beijing, as well as the humanities and customs of Beijing. Every place has its unique temperament and charm. You can imagine that the royal family and relatives played here, and you can also feel that today's citizens and tourists relax here. A symphony of lights in Wangfujing. As night falls, let the lights of Wangfujing Street play a charming symphony. The aerial view of the bustling night market and neon-lit streets creates an unforgettable visual feast. From the air, you can see the prosperity and excitement of Wangfujing, as well as the history and culture of Wangfujing. Every place has its own unique story and flavor. You can imagine that aristocrats and literati in those days went shopping here, and you can also feel that today's foodies and shoppers enjoy it here. Subscribe, like, and join us on this aerial journey. This is more than just a video, it's an immersive journey through time, tradition, and the ongoing evolution of this magnificent city. Don't miss your chance to fly with us.